In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your friend or another person from photo using Snapseed. Basically, it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do. So as you can see, I will remove my friend from this photo. There are two of them and one is already edited. So you can download Snapseed in App Store or Google Play, so you can use it for iPhone or Android, it doesn't matter. So all you need is just to open Snapseed, import the necessary photo, for example this one, and after that in the bottom of the screen just choose Tools to open Tools bar, and then just use the healing instrument, so just click on it, and after that just select the friend, so just click on, then just select your friend. So after that he'll be successfully removed from your photo, but don't stop watching because sometimes this function doesn't work correctly. For example, this one is really good, but if we'll try to open another photo, so we'll just close this app and then just open Snapseed once more. For example, if we'll try to edit this photo with the healing tools, this won't be lit correctly, so we can try to select these persons, and as you can see something went wrong. It means that this function works only if you have maybe two person in the frame or other stuff, because as I understood it works like it tries to fill this area you selected with the parts of from the other photo, so sometimes it could work not that correct as it is. So before editing, make sure that you have maybe only two guys on the photo, so it will work correctly and you can create something like this. So basically, yeah, this is a way how you can remove guys from photo. I hope guys this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and watch my other tutorials. Goodbye.